Hello guys, this is Z from RedCybershield.com, and in this lesson we will be focusing on math in Python 3. Let's take a look. As you see here, we have addition, and just like in the last lesson, we printed 2 plus 2. So let's go ahead and do that again. 2 plus 2. And if we run it, we'll see we get the sum of 4. Now, Python can do simple operations such as 2 plus 2, but we can also do many other things. So let's look at subtraction. If we print 2 minus 1, we should get 1. Let's clear that. We also have multiplication, so we can print 3 times 4. And we get 12. Same goes for division. We're going to print, let's do 10 divided by 2. Run that, and we get 5. It would go here. We'll print, we'll do 3% 10, and we get 3. Exponents are also found in Python. If we do print, and then we do 2 to the power of 4, we will get 16. Thanks for watching. The next lesson will be on if and else statements in Python 3.